Hi friends, Adele here from Go Balik. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a day in a life at Royalton Splash Punta Cana. Shortly upon arrival, I would recommend a stroll around the campus to get to understand the lay of the land and see what this resort complex has to offer. This plot of land is shared with Royalton Punta Cana. We booked a Diamond Club luxury suite room. Good to know is that if you book a standard luxury suite room, it will look identical to this one. Extra perks of being Diamond Club include a special beach area, a private check-in, and preferential dinner reservations. All of the rooms at Royalton Splash have been recently renovated, and they're spacious with generously sized balconies, perfect for enjoying a glass of wine while welcoming the sunset. After unpacking and unwinding from your travel day, be sure to stroll over to the social plaza to have dinner at one of the restaurants or check out some of the activities that may be going on. In the morning, greet the sunrise with a delicious cup of coffee from 24-hour room service.
This coffee is so delicious that I had to record myself having it.
With fast internet and international channels, you're free to enjoy a lazy morning in your room or get some work done. After catching up on some emails or your Netflix shows, it'll be time to head over to the picture-perfect beach.
Boy, rough ride, a lot of money was made by large bag from each now commercial with AI.
After your lungs are filled with the beach breeze, it may be time to hop onto the trolley and head over to the water park. Here in this video, you'll see the entrance to the water park, but apologies that I did not go in to take better video. If water slides aren't your thing, no worries, it's also plenty of fun around the pool areas. Before I get into my last set of clips for this video, I want to share a quick PSA that really caught us off guard. Though this is a family, all-inclusive resort with a lot of elements heavily geared towards families with younger children, the pool areas are quite the party scene. Most of the games around the pool were even geared towards adults, which is totally fine because there are plenty of pool options and there are lots of things to do throughout the campus for kids, but I thought that would be good for families with young children to know. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please hit like, subscribe, follow, and the notification bell, and I'll continue to bring you premium resorts at a great price. Thanks again for watching. For now, happy and safe travels, and see you next time.
Oh, he's good.